Preacher curls. So if you're at the gym, then you can use an incline bench or a preacher curl bench. But if you're not, then you can use what you have. So if you've got a lounge that you can use with a back, then this is perfect for doing them. So I prefer doing them single arm, so that you can work on any strength discrepancies. But basically the movement is a bicep curl, so you're going to be curling all the way up and then lowering slowly all the way down. Now at the bottom on the lounge, you might have a little bit of a problem getting full range of motion, so you can pop your elbow on your fist and do it that way, curling through, getting to straight, pause, 2, and then up under control, squeeze at the top, slowly lower down, pause at the bottom, up under control, squeeze at the top. That's the preacher curl.